Be ready for the dictation. Start. The existence of any judgment, order, or decree which by law prevents any court from taking cognizance of a suit or holding a trial is a relevant fact when the question is whether such court ought to take cognizance of such suit or to hold such trial. Stanza. A final judgment, order, or decree of a competent court in the exercise of probate, matrimonial, admiralty, or insolvency jurisdiction which confers upon or takes away from any person any legal character, or which declares any person to be entitled to any such character or to be entitled to any specific thing, not as against any specified person, but absolutely is relevant when the existence of any such legal character or the title of any such person to any such thing is relevant. Stanza. Such judgment, order, or decree is conclusive proof that any legal character which it confers accrued at the time when such judgment, order, or decree came into operation, that any legal character to which it declares any such person to be entitled accrued to that person at the time when such judgment declares it to have accrued to that person, that any legal character which it takes away from any such person ceased at the time from which such judgment declared that it had ceased or should cease, and that anything to which it declares any person to be so entitled was the property of that person at the time from which such judgment declares that it had been or should be his property. Stanza. Judgments, orders, or decrees other than those mentioned in section 41 are relevant if they relate to matters of a public nature relevant to the inquiry, but such judgments, orders, or decrees are not conclusive proof of that which they state. Stanza. The evidence law is concerned as the law of the forum which guides and helps the courts to reach a conclusion while dealing with a particular case. Stop. Not to be confused as proof, a piece of evidence leads the court to either prove or disprove something. Stop. The Indian Evidence Act 1872 is an adjective law that lays down provisions to be followed by the Indian courts while accepting and determining the admissibility of evidence presented before it. Stop. The underlying principle that sets the evidence law in motion was observed in the case of Ram Jas versus Surendra Nath (1980), where it was held that the law of evidence is the law that does not affect the substantive rights of the parties, instead works towards facilitating justice to the same. Stop. This article provides a list of precedent judgments that serve as a source of interpretation of the Act of 1872 by the Indian courts that can help in better understanding of the concepts of evidence law.